Helping Hilda. Hilda always helps us. She never frowns. She always smiles. Hilda helps kids cross the street. She feeds the birds. Hilda makes food for the sick. She visits the lonely. Hilda knits hats to share in winter. She shares ice cream in summer. We love Hilda. We'd do anything for her. Hilda slipped on the ice. She broke her arm. She couldn't drive or cook. She couldn't bake or knit. That's okay. It was our turn to help Hilda. Mom and I took her to the doctor's office. We took her to the grocery store. We did her laundry and watered her flowers. We got the mail and made some meals. We were not the only ones. It looked like the whole town came to help Hilda. We were glad to help Hilda. She always helps us.